Right now at 5.
This can happen to any of us.
Addressing the opioid epidemic.
The fact is, this is a worldwide problem.
Tonight, President Donald Trump declaring a national public health emergency. And this designation by the president opens up more grant money to help fight the epidemic.
Hundreds of thousands of American lives have been lost in recent years. CBS 4's Elliot Rodriguez is here now with more on the president's designation. Elliot.
Well, guys, the president delivered a speech about the deadliest drug crisis in U.S. history and what his administration is doing to stop it. But critics say he's not offering enough money to back up the talk.
President Trump was joined by the First Lady in the East Room of the White House, surrounded by people impacted by the opioid crisis. He declared it a national public health emergency.
We can be the generation that ends the opioid epidemic. We can do it.
The administration's goal is to reduce addiction to prescription pain medication and illicit drugs like heroin and fentanyl.
Last year, almost 1 million Americans used heroin, and more than 11 million abused prescription opioids. The United States is by far the largest consumer of these drugs, using more opioid pills per person than any other country by far in the world.
The declaration gives states the ability to shift funds away from other medical issues like HIV, diabetes, and medical care to provide more opioid treatment. The president's action stops short of declaring a national emergency, and no additional funding will be given to deal with the crisis.
What I would say to the president on that is, show me the money.
But the administration says it is working with Congress to add money to the end-of-the-year budget. The president backed an additional $45 billion to combat the opioid epidemic as part of the GOP plan to repeal and replace Obamacare, but Republican infighting killed the bill.
Now, by law, public health emergency can only last for 90 days, but it can be renewed by the White House until the president feels it is no longer needed. Rick and Rudabeh, back to you.